Now let me introduce to Ms. Sonam Lamala. Sonam Lama is a former artist, performer from the Tibetan Institutions of Performing Arts. She's dedicated and passionate about Tibetan culture preservation. She's teaching Tibetan songs, dances, and music classes to the Himalayan children in New York. Her contribution is very meaningful and significant because her songs, dance, music classes serve as a medium to engage our second-generation Himalayan American children in promoting our culture. She has performed in many cities in India as well as in the United States. She also toured major cities in France, Canada, Switzerland, and other countries. So today, Ms. Sonam Lamala will sing 2 songs. And here you go, Ms. Sonam Lamala.
Thank you. Tashle, everyone. Good evening. I would like to thank the organizer for giving me this opportunity to participate in this multicultural lullabies event. Every man and woman were once much loved children of their parent. We have all grown up listening to the soothing and loving lullabies our parents of nannies sung for us. The nature of this event itself transcends all human-made boundaries, including that of race, religions, or nationality. During today's difficult time of the global pandemic, not just children, but we all need lullabies to soothing our heart and minds. A comforting, caring, and motherly voice of unconditional love is what we long to listen. The Tibetan culture has long believed that the mother's love and care for children is critical for the child's health, physical, and psychological growth. My first song is Tibetan Lullaby, which says, "Sleep well, my child. Good night, my child." Sim jana ko ame pu ame sen ke no pu ke no Sim jana ko ame pu ni ki buku ne ni lang ki is Tibetan folk song. It is about the folklore associated with the 11th century great Saint MilaRepa. He is one of the greatest culture hero of Tibet, and there are many songs and plays based on his life. This song that I'm going to sing also praises MilaRepa for his spiritual achievement and make an offering to him through melodies hymns. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was beautiful. Thank you. We really appreciate it. So in case you're just joining us, that was amazing. And so we're going to invite you back for some question and answers. So if you're listening and watching out there on Facebook or YouTube or within this webinar, please ask questions for Sonam. And that was just amazing. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.